I am Sivaraman. I am doing my BE in the electrical domain. My project is high efficient street light system with load balancing in distribution system. And I introduce my friends. I am Indrasegar and he is Sadish.
Hi friends, my final year project is doing. This is my project. Okay. Whenever the object is crossed in this street, IR sensor is detected and signal is given to the microcontroller. This is a microcontroller, PIC microcontroller, 40 pin IC. This signal is going to onto the through the IR sensor is and enable the light, enable the street light. Is the street light. Whenever the object is not detected, the light illumination will be illumination level will be decreased. At the normal time, illumination brightness level is controlled by the microcontroller. Brightness controller is be doing on through the PIC microcontroller IC. You see that fuse is blown where is a LDR sensors. Is the LDR sensors. This is the LDR sensor. Is at the daytime will not glow onto the street light. Night time will be glow on. Ambient light insufficient, so the light is street light is glow on. Whenever the ambient sufficient is available, at the time is light is off. Sure. Next, continue my Sivaraman, my batchmates.
I continue about the power supply in my field. There is a 232 12 volt reduce. This 12 volt adapter will supply to the microcontroller. Microcontroller requires only 5 volt. This because the microcontroller works on the TTL logic. TTL logic consumes 5 volt supply. So the 5 voltage supply is converted from the 12 volt by the 7805 SC. There is placed in here. Then this is ICSP, which is used to program the microcontroller. The observation for the ICSP is known as in-circuit serial programmer. Then this is the additional supply to the power to the load. This will reduces this also used to bring the 5 volt power supply, which is because we are using current sensors from the various phases, 3 phases to these are the current sensors located in the three phase circuits. My friend Sadish Kumar will continue the
Next topic.
In our project, we are using ZigBee to communicate with the street light system with the EB. ZigBee is nothing but a RF signal. It's a protocol. In this ZigBee, we are using 2.4 gigahertz. This protocol is also known as ZigBee, whereas this is the transmitter from the street light side. This is the receiver which will connected with the system. From the system we can monitoring the phase current from this from the softwares. The software is known as Visual Basic.
I am Sadish. I am explaining the load balancing system in our project. This is a 3-phase system. This is a 3-phase load. The 3-phase system connected to the current transformer. Current transformer sends to the current level in the 3-phase system. This is a current transformer relay. The current transformer sends the current level and send to the level to the microcontroller. The microcontroller will be decide the which phase will be supply the load. Now I show the demo. Now I on the R phase. The R phase load will be connected. The current level detected and monitoring the street light control system.
Now I switch on the phase 2.
The load will be on.
The two loads are connected. There are R phase and Y phase. From that, R phase contains 0.231 amps. Then the Y phase contains 0.22 amps. So the load is connected with the B phase, Y phase, because there is a load. There is no load. So the load is consume the power from the third phase. So the advantage of this concept is we are reducing the current flow in the distribution feeder. Due to reducing the current flow in the distribution feeder, we can reduce the losses like copper loss and cost detections, because while we designing a high current conductor, we spend much more money to the feeders also, so we can reduce the initial cost also. These are the advantages of our project. This is the illumination drive, which is used to control the illumination of the street light. We consider this is a street light, and these are the LDR. These LDRs used to detect the illumination level from the street light system. This will sense the ambient light availability, which is shown in our software. Our software is Visual Basic from the Microsoft. These are the LED transmitter and receiver. While one human crosses the IR, it will shows like a when the movement is detected, the LED will glow. The LED glow is derived by the LED driver circuit. When the ambient light is preferable level, glow is very less in amount. When the ambient light is not available, it will glow very much brightness. Now you can see the ambient level. When the ambient light level is reduces, the illuminations levels also increases.